It wasn't just X that experienced a major outage this morning. Cloudflare, a web infrastructure company, had technical problems that disrupted several online services. It's unclear whether the two issues were linked. Speaking of Cloudflare, after its positive Q3 results, it acquired Replicate, an AI platform aimed at simplifying AI model deployment for developers. The acquisition, expected to close in 2 months, will integrate Replicate's extensive AI model catalog into Cloudflare's Workers platform, enabling developers to deploy models with a single line of code. In the Arctic reaches of AI, Penguin Solutions announced that it will support NVIDIA's DGX B300 and RTX Pro 6000 GPUs in its Origin AI solution portfolio starting in early 2026. The DGX B300, based on NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture, offers up to 72 petaflops of training throughput and 144 petaflops for inference. As an NVIDIA DGX-ready managed services provider, Penguin Solutions, Origin AI can scale from small, one-quarter pod configurations to large deployments of over 24,000 GPUs. The Origin AI solution also includes storage solutions from DDN, Pure Storage, Vast Data, and vDura, and features ICE clusterware software with enhanced capabilities like multi-tenancy and anomaly detection. Penguin Solutions validates AI cluster performance with in-factory testing, ensuring configurations are ready for operation upon delivery. Adding to confidence, the updated Origin AI solution with NVIDIA's latest GPUs will be available in early 2026. On the topic of clusters, Supermicro has announced new turnkey AI factory cluster solutions to simplify the deployment of AI at scale. These solutions, based on NVIDIA-certified systems and the latest NVIDIA Blackwell GPUs, integrate the full stack of AI-optimized hardware, NVIDIA's software stack, and NVIDIA Spectrum-X Ethernet networking. Designed to streamline AI development, these systems range from single-rack to large multi-rack deployments and feature validated plug-and-play configurations to reduce time to online. Supermicro's data center building block solutions offer a comprehensive approach, providing everything needed to build or upgrade data centers into AI factories. The company's new rack-scale AI solutions are validated and pre-configured to accelerate the operationalization of AI applications. This includes the integration of advanced cooling technologies, such as rear-door heat exchangers and sidecar cooling distribution units, which support energy-efficient, high-density setups. At the Supercomputing 2025 conference, Supermicro will showcase products like the NVIDIA GB300 NVL72 system, which supports 72 Blackwell GPUs and 36 Grace CPUs per rack, as well as liquid-cooled servers and platforms for large-scale AI training. Next, look forward to December 3rd at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time. That's when Tempus will participate in a fireside chat at the Piper Sandler 37th Annual Healthcare Conference. The company recently reported strong Q3 earnings, with revenue growing to $334.21 million, up from $180.93 million last year, and highlighted an improved net loss. Tempus also announced a new multi-year research collaboration with the Institute for Follicular Lymphoma Innovation, focusing on multi-omic data to advance lymphoma precision medicine and biomarker discovery. This partnership aims to build a comprehensive real-world data library for follicular lymphoma, the second most common non-Hodgkin lymphoma. Tempus is further strengthening its genomics leadership with the FDA clearance of its XRIVD assay and the launch of its XM liquid biopsy for tracking tumor responses. It's also collaborating with Veristeme Oncology on a companion diagnostic test for ovarian cancer treatments. Looking ahead, Tempus plans to launch a whole genome sequencing test, XH, and expects additional growth from its ongoing advancements in precision medicine and liquid biopsy technologies. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.